Welcome back friends. Friends, from this video I shall begin to make this sign in box. At this time there is no box here. This kind of sign in box will be made. So I come back to the theme which is being made and I come back to my code editor and I go to header.php. I go at the bottom and I make one div right at the bottom under the closing div tab of model fade ends, and I assign it a class model fade and I assign it this ID login model which has been targeted above. I show you, this is the li and anchor. Inside this li, this is an anchor tag, and data dash target this ID. It has been targeted here, and now I am going to make this ID, because when I make this anchor tag, then I wrote this ID here and I said that later on it will be created. So I come back at the bottom and I comment this div. Model fade starts, ends. Now I make a div inside this div, model fade div, and I assign it a class model dash dialog. Model dash dialog starts, ends. I make one more div inside this div, and I assign it a class model dash form space model dash content. Now I comment it, ends. I make one more div inside it, and assign it a class model dash header. Model dash header starts, and ends. Now I make the h5 tag heading 5 for showing the text in heading 5, and I assign it a class model dash title for showing the title, login to your account. Now I make a button under this h5, button start and button close. H type will be button. Assign it a class close. Same like before, data dash dismiss is equal to model. That model box will be closed after clicking over this cross sign. Now I make a span tag, n times. I have already explained this tag n times in previous model box. so there is no need to explain it again. Now I come under the closing div of model dash header. This is the closing div of model dash header. Now I make one div under the closing div of model dash header ends. And I assign it a class model dash body. Model body starts. Ends. I make one div inside it. And I assign it a class form dash group. Now I comment it, form dash group starts, ends. I make an input tag inside this form dash group div. Its type is text. And I assign it a name for later on calling it in PHP, seller underscore user underscore name. Placeholder username. And required for validating the form. So now I copy this form dash group complete div and I paste it under it one time. Now I change its type to text to password, and here too I write seller password, password, placeholder password. Now I come under the closing div of form dash group ends. Now I make the input tag under it. Its type is submit because this will be the button. Name login, class btn space btn dash success green color button, btn dash block, style will be the block, and value login. Login will be shown over the button, text login. Now I make a div under this input and I assign it a class text dash center for showing the text into the center, empty dash 3. Now I comment it, friend empty mean margin top 3. Text center and empty starts. Empty 3. These are the default classes of Bootstrap 4. Ends. Now I make an anchor tag inside this div. Data dash toggle is equal to model. Data dash target is equal to double quotes ID. Register dash model. I would like to show you this ID which was made above. Friend, this one, register dash model. This ID which was created in this div now has been called here, has been targeted here. Data dash target, this ID has been targeted here inside this anchor. Data dash dismiss is equal to model. I have given it here too for the cross sign for closing the model. So I would like to show you, actually this is the demo theme if I click over, this is the demo theme, not the theme which is being made, this one is being made. So if I click over sign in, and someone after clicking over it wants to go over register page, because he knows that he does not have any account here. So when he will click over register, then sign up box will be opened and this box will be closed automatically. Like if I click over register, then you see that this new box has been opened, sign up box has been opened, and the sign in box has been closed automatically. So therefore I have called it here inside this anchor data dash dismiss model. If anybody will click over the other, this one register, and NBSP for line space, for spacing, and this is the sign which is right above the enter key. I have forgotten its name, sorry for it. Now I make the anchor tag under it, a href, and dummy hash sign data dash toggle is equal to model data dash target is equal to this ID forgot dash model. I have targeted it, but later on it will be created. I have not yet created this forgot dash model data dash dismiss the model. The same thing, when anybody will click over forgot password, then this box will be closed automatically and new box will be opened, forgot password. So now I come to my browser and I refresh this page and I click over sign in. So you can see that this box has been opened, this login button, and if I click over register, then that box has been closed and this new box has been opened. And if I click over forgot password, then I have not made it as function, therefore nothing is showing here. But if I come here and I write here forgot password, then this message, this box message is showing that enter your Computerfever profile email, we will send you a password reset link. So now I shall stylize this box, a little one, in style.css. I go to style.css, model dash form anchor. I have used the same classes, so only the little one is needed to stylize. Only this anchor tag, I would like to show you this anchor tag, this one, these two, this is color and font weight bold, text align center. Now I come here and I refresh this page. Now I click over here. So friend, now you can see. So friend, that style has not applied. Once more I will have to refresh this page. So I right click and I click over view page source. Now I shall click over here. You can see the link here of styles, style.css. So now I will click over it and I shall reload this page. So I close it, close this one. Now I refresh this page and now I click over it. So now you can see that forgot password register is showing, it is the font weight is bold, in bold style, because I have given here, you can see font weight bold. So friend, now this box has been created successfully. I shall come back now in next video to do